Now of extra thick condensed glue gels. Close the lids. And apply snow white top coat. We are going to, I'm going to move this one on the side right here. I'm going to place one crystal on the side. You can do it on however you want. You can do on the right side, left side. And I'm always lean them three together. It look like a triangle. You have this one pearl right there. This is, keep in mind, I'm using the collectible mix bag. Get some cute pointed crystal. That's it. I'm going to add just a little bit of the extra thick condensed glue gels. Just a little bit more on these edges. Because I want it to have some other. You can see that it's not going anywhere. It stays in the same place, not moving anywhere. There's no wet top coat. And we'll place it right in the edges between two crystals. Okay. And now we're going to flash key it. First, flash key it first. Okay, 30 seconds. And then we are going to add some crystal on, some frame, some charms. I see some of the cutest one right here. And some frame. I'm going to cut some frames smaller, shorter. Some of the frame longer. I'm going to add it on shortly. All right, so like now we are going to, oh my God, there's so many. You can do this one for 3D. Oh, and then also this one for 3D. This, I don't know when I'm going to finish this straight though. It's like so fascinating and kind of excited at the same time. All right, now we are going to using condensed glue gel standard, which is already nice and thick, but it's actually is working perfect for the flat bags. Also charms and chains. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels. And this is the standard thick. If you want the really a good thick solid ones for the big crystals 3D portrait bag, extra thick is going to be awesome. All right, don't forget no wipe top coat, and don't clear your condensed glue gel yet. We are going to floating right on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Super cute suns right there. I just cut it and I don't know where I lost it. It's missing there. Say hey. Okay, I'm gonna add one more. I'll make sure that I am in the middle of everything, so then you will not see me with like our frame. The glitter somewhere. I'm adding some like frame. I'm getting this one shorter. Cutting them shorter. Okay. I'm gonna use some of the crystals. And more crystal. I'm using it for my collectible mix bag right here. Let me show you quick when I finish with this. Fascinating. This is going to be great for a lot of beginners or is nail lovers to create a lot of different designs and brainstorm your design. I mean, your like having fun and not only challenge your creativities. I can add flowers on if I want to. Get some of this on. Some of my crystal smaller size for my glow in the dark crystal kits. This one, that's what I'm talking about. It's at pretty much everything I wanted it. All right, this is completely no background at all. I mean, yes, we do have a background, which is the just the colors Fall in Love, and this here the design with 3D. All right, so if you're happy with this, we're going to here for 60 seconds, and let me organize this again and put in the back, so then I can using the Precision Glue Gel to double secure all of my crystals, charm, and chains. Alright, so we're gonna using Precision Glue Gel. Haha, thank you so much, Mika. Alright, Precision Glue Gel. In the meantime, we're waiting for that beauty to be clear. I am go ahead and using Precision Glue Gel. Give me 1 second. This one is